Slice number 4 will be above the mechanical, after the mechanical. And what those do, that slice of pie that was in there is now feeding these things, 4 of them. Remember the 4 quarters of the building? Okay, we're at switchboard number 2, so this is being fed from slice number 2. What this does, what this whole thing does, it now starts to distribute the electricity out to your building. It goes to your lighting system, it goes to your DBCSs, it goes to your milk processing, it goes to everything that's feeding everything in that quarter of the building. It's coming from here and it starts to spread out the electricity to that quadrant of the building. Your emergency circuit is on distribution switchboard 2 and 3. It's not on every switchboard. It's not on every slice of pie. This is why. Here's your automatic transfer switch. This is the one that's always sensing if you got a loss of power. This is the one that's going to let your generator come on in the event of an emergency. Once it senses it, you'll only have this type of setup here at distribution board 2 and number 3. You won't have it on number 1 and 4. Because what it does, think of electricity, it's going to come in, but then it's going to get distributed. So these 2 areas, they're monitoring a loss of power, all right? So when it detects a loss of power in switchboard 2 or 3, it's going to say, start your generator, and then that 7 seconds goes by, and then you're going to hear a mechanical closure, boom. That electricity now goes out to all of your, what they call distribution panels, designated with the letter E. You often hear me, hey, where's that panel? What panel serves that DB? What panel serves that pinnacle? What panel serves the panels are identified by letterings. Like you'll have if it's 480, it'll be H first floor, H1, and column number. Or if it's a low voltage, 280 volts, it's L, and then the floor number. Emergency circuits are different designation. You'll know them by the letter E. E. It'll say E2 and then column number. They're all on the second floor. And there's only, I think, a total of 6. So 6 E panels. I could be wrong, might be less or more. I think there's 6. And they're all on the second floor. The reason why is because for that E panel, it also serves the third and first floor. It'll be circuit breakers for your stairways and for your lighting circuits on all 3 floors. Lighting circuits is not every circuit; it's an emergency circuit. So not every lighting. You'll have that dim mood lighting, that romantic lighting. You'll only have a few lights on. One way to find out if it's an emergency lighting is you shut off all of your lights. Whatever's on, that's on the E panel. And on this one, you'll see E2, K4, E2, J. So these are the panels that they're going out to. So this is the one that's giving us the emergency lighting through the emergency generator.
And there's another one down the way too.
Is that the column number, E2, J10?
E2 meaning emergency panel, second floor, column J10. Yeah, that's how you can know where the panel location is. If I say L2H4, H4, and it's a L. L is 208 volts to 120. We call that low voltage. H panel will be 480, 277. 480 volts / 277. L is 208 / 120. And you'll have the same scenario. Let's go to the next slide. Remember the quarters of the building?
He's talking about a deep dish.
I am getting kind of hungry.
You keep saying it over and over, man. Making me want to eat
Why are they all in cans?
They're not set on RPAS, you can't keep controlling it. Even if you put it on hand, put it on register.
Why?
They have no communication with the equipment.
Really?
Unless you go in there and
But that,
control.
I thought there was communication with the louvers.
Right here.